Assalamualaikum. We from Group 7, we want to present about our assignment, that's it, Financial Management.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Farahin Izzati binti Mehat. My metric number is H21A2509. I will present about introduction and background of the company. Our group chose Lotus KFM Berhad and Aeon Co. Berhad due to their involvement in the wellness industry, offering beauty and medical services. Financial ratios assess a company's performance, liquidity, stability, and profitability, providing valuable information to investors. These ratio analysis tools help gain a financial edge in the stock market and forecast future success for companies. Next is Lotus Company background. Lotus is a Malaysian hypermarket operator that aims to make shopping a more enjoyable experience by helping customers make informed decisions. With 64 locations and 2 distribution centers, Lotus is the country's first grocery retailer to launch its own online shopping platform. Next is Aeon Company profile. Aeon Co. Berhad is a prominent retailer and mall operator in Malaysia. The brand consists of 34 Aeon general merchandise stores. Founded in 1989, Aeon expanded to include real estate development, services and financial industries. In 1984, Malaysia became the company's headquarters and 2004, the company changed its name to Aeon Co. Berhad.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Edina Farshia binti Rosli. My metric number is H21A2824. For trend analysis, first is the current ratio. The ratio is 3.62 in 2020 and 11.1 in 2021. For crude ratio, decreased from 3.07 in 2020 to 10.32 in 2021. Next, net working capital in 2021 has gained more 584,60154 than in 2020 41069938. For asset turnover, the total in 2020 is 0.69, while in 2021 is 0.60. For account receivable, the total in 2020 was 4.67, was higher than in 2021, which is 3.86. Next, average collection was 77.04 in 2020, while 2021 is 93.37. For inventory turnover, the total in 2020 decreased from 6.38 to 11.51 in 2021. The last one is fixed asset turnover, which is 2.35 higher than.
Hi, my name is Nurul Izzah binti Sirajuddin and my metric number is H1A2583. I will present about leverage or debt ratio and ratio analysis. Debt ratio in 2020 is 0.30 and 2021 is 0.16. Next is debt to equity. Lotus gained more in 2020, that is 0.44, and 2021 is 0.19. For time interest earn ratio for 2020 is 15.73 and 2021 is 0.57. Next is profitable ratio in ratio analysis. First is return on equity. In 2020 is 0.18 and 2021 is 0.04. Second is return on asset. In 2020, Lotus get 0.12 and 2021 is 0.03. Third is gross profit margin. In 2020 is 0.10 and 2021 is 0.08. For operation margin in 2020 is 0.18 and 2021 is 0.04. Lastly is net profit margin. In 2020 is 0.18 and 2021 is 0.05.
My name is Wafi Zahida binti Zazali, H21A2732. I want to present about comparative analysis. A comparative analysis details how data are processed compared to one another and explains how they relate. This provides context for the analysis, so the differences and similarities in the relationship between datasets are clear.
My name is Nur Syafiqah Adani binti Syarul Arif. My matrix number is H2182471. For example, the comparative analysis of company Lotus and Aeon Group Industry might provide in-depth data on each future and provide historical data to make comparison about how each future perform.
Next, I am Nurul Syafiqah binti Indanan and my matrix number is H2182545. I will explain about overall analysis of our assignments. In trend analysis, we compare the analysis of financial statement from Lotus KFM Berhad in the year 2020 and 2021. In comparative analysis, we made analysis from two different companies which Lotus KFM Berhad and Aeon Co M Berhad in 2020 and 2021. Aeon Company turnover is better than Lotus Company in 2020, but in 2021, Lotus Company is better. In the context of gross profit margin percentage, Lotus Company is better than Aeon Company in both years. A good profit margin is important for a business because money that comes from the gross profit margin can be used to increase cash flows and profit. Lotus Company can meet the loan risk of default better than the Aeon Company as the interest earned by the Lotus Company is better than Aeon Company. There are several ways both company can perform financially better in the future. Firstly, reduce and rearrange assets. Secondly, selling unwanted assets. And lastly, offer markdowns and increase price.
In conclusion, we made an analysis regarding the Aeon and Lotus Company financial statement. We identify how quickly the company can pay its debt in a short-term period. Just-in-time technique can be used by both companies to ordering and controlling their inventory. It's an effective way which this technique brings much benefits such as both companies can save costs. Overall, it can be summarized that the Lotus Company is performed financially better than Aeon Company.